Hi guys, welcome to week 4. I'll be going back and forth between putting this on and taking it off, just an FYI, because the fan helps quite a bit, but I still feel like I just have like a touch of allergies from being in here, so that just kind of helps me breathe, filter out some things once in a while, so it's not so bad. Alright, if you can turn in your books to page 220, we're going to be in Unit 17. These videos are going to be shorter just so I can spend a little less time in here this week, and I expect you guys to practice maybe more on your own and use my office hours if you feel like I didn't explain something super well. I am more than happy to use those this week to help with that. So, let's go ahead and go to 9-1. We're going to be doing B harmonic minor, those triads that you see down there in the key of B, and then we're going to transpose to F harmonic minor, okay? Transposition, I'm trying not to talk very much, so I'm going to make sure that you guys can see my hands really well so that you can see what chords are going on. If you know the difference between diminished and how to build diminished chords and augmented chords, then this should be fine for you. If you struggle with that a little bit, then I would practice just like in C major, doing some diminished and augmented chords starting on different notes. And use my office hours too. Let's go ahead and do B harmonic minor. Okay? And tilt you down. There we go. So, I'm going to play in both hands. So I'm going to start with a minor 1 chord. Major 2. Or not a major 2, a diminished 2, my bad. And then an augmented 3. Get that A sharp up there. Minor 4. Major 5. Major 6. Diminished 7. And minor 1. Okay, if you did not get that, rewind the video and do that again. Let me take my mask off for a second. Now we're going to transpose to F harmonic minor. It shouldn't be too bad if you know the key signature to F harmonic minor. If not, double check. We have our 4 flats, although we are going to raise E flat up to E natural to make it harmonic minor. So watch out for the diminished chords. So what you want to be looking for, if you need to practice this on your own, so we have a 2 diminished chord, find a G minor chord, because that would be a minor 2, and then lower the 5th by a half step. That would be your 2 diminished. If you are looking and struggling to figure out augmented, go and eliminate the augmented part and play a major 3 chord. So major 3 chord, if you start on A flat, C and E flat, that's our major 3. To augment that, we raise E flat up to E natural. Okay? And then the same thing with a 7 diminished chord, obviously that one's going to be diminished. Okay? Let's see if we can play this pretty slowly. Okay? I'll start way down here so you can see my hands and what chords I'm playing decently well. Okay. So, minor 1. Look where you're going next. We need a diminished 2. Okay. Where you're going next, figure that out. Augmented 3. And then minor 4. Next, we need a major 5. And then we go up to D flat for the next one, so we need a major 6. Then we have to go up to E, remember? So we need a diminished chord above E. Good. And then next, minor 1. Okay? Rewind this and watch this as many times as you need to, and if you're still confused, then use my office hours.